How to update Jio Hotstar app. Welcome back to a new guide video on HowGenic. If you're trying to update the app of Jio Hotstar, whether to access new features or to fix any kinds of bugs, in today's video, let me show you the process. This is going to be a short and easy tutorial, so let's get straight into it. In order for you to update the application, you just need to open up the Play Store. Once you open up the Play Store, you can search for Jio Hotstar and you will be able to see this application. So make sure you tap on the search button on the bottom, search for Jio Hotstar and you'll be able to see this application. And right here, instead of open, if there is an update available, you'll be able to see an option called update. If there are no updates available as of now, you won't see an option of update and you'll just see open. So depending upon if there is an update or not, you can tap on the update button right here and your app of Jio Hotstar will be updated. This way you'll get new features that have been added in, or the bugs that may be causing any issues inside of the platform will also be fixed. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. If you guys are interested in more future videos, make sure you hit that notification so you get notified. That's gonna be all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next one.